Lamentations 3:22 through 23. Because of the Lord's great love, we are not consumed, for his compassions never fail. They are new every morning. Great is your faithfulness.
Hebrews 13:8. Jesus Christ is the same yesterday, today, and forever.
Malachi 3:6 and 7. I, the Lord, do not change. So you, the descendants of Jacob, are not destroyed. Ever since the time of your ancestors, you have turned away from my decrees and have not kept them. Return to me, and I will return to you, says the Lord Almighty.
1 Peter 1:24 through 25. The grass withers and the flowers fall, but the word of the Lord endures forever.
Psalm 33:11. But the plans of the Lord stand firm forever, the purposes of his heart through all generations.
Hebrews 1:10 through 12. In the beginning, Lord, you laid the foundations of the earth, and the heavens are the work of your hands. They will perish, but you remain. They will all wear out like a garment. You will roll them up like a robe. Like a garment they will be changed, but you remain the same, and your years will never end.
Psalm 33:18. But the eyes of the Lord are on those whose hope is in his unfailing love.
Psalm 119:88-89. Your word, O Lord, is eternal. It stands firm in the heavens. Your faithfulness continues through all generations.
Revelation 1:8. I am the Alpha and the Omega, says the Lord God, who is, and who was, and who is to come, the Almighty.